guys, and welcome back to the channel. So you guys definitely surprised me. So I've been on the hunt for the next BMW here for my channel. Threw a little car out there, and I'm actually surprised you guys voted it higher than my first choice. So, you know, out on the community tab here on YouTube, I put in, you know, very busy car shopping. Here's the top 3 cars that I've really been looking at. One of the cars, I didn't tell any of you guys that, you know, I was looking for it. And it is 52% the F80 M3 and 39% the M340i out of almost 400 votes. And then the X3M, which, you know, I like the X3M because you get the S58, which obviously is in the M3 M4. That came in at 9%, obviously much lower than the other two. But guys, the F80 M3, I'm really surprised with that. Like I said, I didn't say anything of that car in the other videos, didn't prompt anything. So really, like I said, I've been now looking at those 2 cars. I've checked out a few F80 M3s. I've checked out a few M340i's. In the process of selling my M5, which I do have some actual interested buyers in it. And I didn't even make a video or anything that I was technically selling it. I just talked about getting another car. And a lot of you guys shared the video out, and I've gotten contacted from people seeing that video. So thank you yet again. And if you reached out to me and stuff like that, I couldn't thank you enough, I guess to say. So that will probably make that happen, which will be great, because then I'll be able to, sell that one, focus efforts on the new BMW. So curious how this is going to go down. So M340i or the F80 M3. Let me know. Really 2 great cars, B58 TU and the one, and obviously, the S55. Completely 2 different cars, totally agree on that. They're not very similar in some fashions or whatever. I do like both of them, right? And I do like the F10 M5, don't get me wrong. I've just been a little bored with the silver color. So to be honest with you in that sense, and there's really not even any other ones. I don't want to get like another M5 for the same thing again. So that's why I'm, checking around and doing other stuff. So a lot of great ones. Like I said, looking at, they look great. Trying to find something that's either black sapphire metallic, of course, between either cars. That's the same color I have on my 335 that I also have. So for any of like the mineral gray, any of those colors, any of the blue colors, just anything with some good color to it, I guess to say. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now, and I've been really heavily doing that here as we speak. So let me know down in the comment section below, what do you guys think? Like I said, I am going back and forth and trying to decide, and it's driving me nuts. More updates to come, but let me know your thoughts. A DIY video actually coming here tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And without further ado, I'll check you on the next video, and I appreciate you guys sharing my last video. Obviously, that's what's helping me sell the M5. So thanks again. We'll be chatting here soon. Take care.